Jacob Bellamy, and this is our Scrum4 project. So the team members are myself, Jacob Bellamy, Yulia Condon, and Keegan Gillespie. So the Scrum Master was myself. The person who programmed everything was Yulia, and the person who created the presentation was Keegan. So I'll go ahead and start the presentation for you. So this is our JSP, where we put in the information for the type of cat. So we have Greece, age of 3. It's a multicolored, and it's an Aegon. I'm not sure if that's right. So then once that is when you click to create the object button, it submits the object. And then the same for the web service. So we put in the information, Rex1 tabby, and it's an American wirehair, and we get the output. And then that's about all that the presentation showcases, but we can go to the source code now and see how everything works. So here is the cat Java. It's got a private string for name, an int, a private int for the age, a private string for the color, and a private string for the breed. And then it has a default constructor, or a closed, empty argument constructor, I should say, a 0 argument. And then a argument that has in multi-parameters. So obviously for the one that we're using the multi-parameter method, which passes in the name, the age, the color, and the breed. And we have a bunch of getters and setters, as well as a toString that creates a message. And then our API is that of a static, and it creates it just like it would normally, and it returns the cat. And then down here in our JSP, well, in our HTML first, we have a nice little display to get the input from the user. And then here's our JSP. All it does is returns the cat. So I'll go ahead and run the HTML real quick for you. So we could put in Fluffy, age 2 years old, color, Fluffy's going to be blue. The breed, special. All right, and there's our output. And then for time purposes, I already have the client up here. So we'll say Snowball. Age is 3. Snowball is white gray. And then a snow cat. I don't know any cat breeds, so we're just going to go with snow cat. All right. And so that pretty much wraps it up. The other type of testing that we can do is inside with the console. So if we had any errors, we would obviously check this to see where we're having those problems, to check the call stack. And then I'm not sure what else I can add into this. I mean, it's pretty straightforward with how to build it and how to test it. First, we built the object, then the API, and then the HTML, and then the JSP for testing, tested it out, and then ran the web services. That's about it. All right, well, thank you, and I hope you have a great day.